My name is Paul Turfrey. I work for a company called Kemira in Bradford. Kemira is a Finnish-based company with sites across the world, 4 sites in the UK. We make water treatment chemicals for help out in pulp and paper, water you drink, water you flush, and also for oil enhanced oil recovery, which means we can get more oil out of wells that currently exist.
My name is Teresa Kalinowski. I'm the site administrator at Kemira. I've been with the company 20 years next year. We employ about 180 people over 4 sites in the UK, the majority of that at the site in Bradford in East Galway. The mix of opportunities for young people is vast. It's science, it's technical, administration. Most people come to us through work experience and apprenticeships. We've had people now with us in full-time work and people with long service, some retiring with 40 years service.
What we're looking for now is obviously looking for the next generation of people to come through. We're looking for the best candidates, whether they're graduates, whether they're straight out of school and into apprenticeships. We would like to showcase the opportunities that are available.